Hello and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. Today I'll be making my butternut squash hash. And yeah, it's a few simple ingredients, super fresh, super delicious. So let's get started. So I wanted to go over ingredients really quick. This is my butternut squash right here. Feel free to follow me on Instagram to always see the beginning basically of me starting my recipes. This is my zucchini right here, red and green bell peppers, garlic and onion, my orange, garlic powder, smokehouse maple, or all-purpose seasoning is totally fine, some pepper, and some thyme. So yeah, let's get started. So I have my butternut squash sauteing in a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of butter. And I'm going to saute this for about 10 minutes before I add all the other vegetables. And what I have on here is salt, pepper, and the chili peppers. Okay, so this is 10 minutes in. I added my orange zest, as you can see. Now I'm going to add all the vegetables down in here. The onion and the garlic. Peppers, the zucchini, my fresh thyme, garlic, and the smokehouse maple. You're going to saute this for another 10 to 15 minutes until everything is cooked through, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like. Oh, looks great already. All those veggies. This is what my butternut squash hash looks like. I put some orange wedges because y'all already know we added the zest, so the juice will be for more flavor. I put my thyme leaf because y'all already know about my pitches. If you want to see what I paired this with, follow me on Instagram so you can see what I did next. I didn't add it to this video because this is a vegetarian video. So I will see you guys next time on my next video. Like, share, subscribe. Please come back, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, guys. Bye.